This video covers how to create your Collaborate Ultra sessions. First, log into your Blackboard account and enter the course in which you want to create Collaborate Ultra sessions. Click on the three dots next to the menu choice Class Collaborate on the side menu. Choose Manage All Sessions. Then click on the Create Session button. A new window will appear on the right side of the screen. You will need to name the session. It is suggested you name the session in some way that reflects the meeting days and time. You will need to click Guest Access. Make sure that the guest role is set to participant. You now need to set the start date and time and end date and time. It is suggested to set the start date as a day or so before the start of your classes. The time should be set for about 15 minutes before the start time of your classes. The end date should be the same date as the start date, as this sets up what each class session will look like. The end time should be set for about 15 minutes after the end time of your classes. Next, click Repeat Session. Double check your start date and time and your end date and time. The start date should be a day or two before the start of the semester. The start time should be set for about 15 minutes before your class starts. The end date should be set for the same date as your start date, as this is setting up the framework for each individual Collaborate Ultra session that will be created. The end time should be set to about 15 minutes after the time your class ends. If there are errors, you will get a red warning message below the area in which the error is occurring. You need to make the necessary correction to make the red error message disappear. You have to make sure that you do not set a start date that is before the current date. The start date must be at least the current date or later. Now, you will need to set the repeat session to repeat weekly. You will then need to click on the days of the week that you want the class session to be repeated. For most instructors, this will be Monday and Wednesday or Tuesday and Thursday. Make sure you see that the dates of the week you want the session repeated have turned green. Now, set the end on choice to end on date. Set the end on date to a couple of days after the end of the semester. It is also suggested to set the early entry to 15 minutes before the start time. Scroll to the top of the side menu and click on the Settings cog. There are several settings you may want to select. First, if you plan to record any of your sessions, you will need to click Allow Recording Downloads. Next, it is strongly suggested that you choose Moderators supervise all private chats, as you want to be able to see what is typed when students private chat each other. It is suggested that you not eliminate the ability for students to private chat with each other, as you may want students to work collaboratively during a class session. You will also want to choose Hide Profanity in Chat Messages, so that any possible profanity typed in will not be seen by other students. Scroll back to the top and click on the Event Details icon to go back to the screen with date and time details. Make sure there are no red error messages. Fix any items where there is a red message. Click the Save button. Then click the purple X to close the side screen. You will be returned to the Sessions screen. You will see the session block that you created. Click on the down arrow and you will see all of the class sessions created for the block. Click the up arrow to collapse the session block. Now click the three dots and choose Copy Guest Link. This link is the link you will send your students. The link allows students and guests to join your Collaborate Ultra session. Click the purple X to return to your Blackboard course. You are all set.
This has been a production of D&J Designs and Mathman 1962. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up. If you want to be notified when new videos are posted, click the bell. And if you want to see more videos like this one, click on the subscribe button.